In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download your Robinhood 1099 tax document and import it into your tax software. Whether you're new to investing or a seasoned pro, filing taxes accurately is essential, especially when you trade stocks, ETFs, or options. Let's walk through the process together, step by step, to make sure you stay organized and confident at tax time. To get started, head over to robinhood.com in your web browser and log into your account using your usual credentials. Once you're logged in, look for the Account tab, usually found at the top right corner of the page. Click on it, and from the drop-down menu, select Tax Center. The Tax Center is where Robinhood keeps all your important tax documents from previous years, as well as from the current tax season. Within the Tax Center, you'll see an option to filter your documents by year. Select the relevant tax year you need. Typically, you'll want the most recent one for your upcoming tax filing. After selecting the year, you should see a list of documents that Robinhood has prepared for you. Find the 1099 form on that list. This document summarizes your investment income, including stock sales, dividends, and any options activity during the year. Next to the 1099 form, you'll notice a download button. Go ahead and click download to save the PDF file securely to your computer or device. Make sure you keep this document easily accessible, as you'll need it in the next steps. Now, open your preferred tax software. Many of the popular tax prep programs offer a direct import feature for Robinhood, making the process quick and streamlined. Look for the option that says Import from Robinhood, or if that's not available, there's typically an option to upload the PDF file manually. Follow the prompts in the software and it will automatically pull the necessary information from your 1099 form. This includes your stock sales, dividends, and options transactions directly into your tax return. Once the import is complete, the tax software fills in those details for you. However, it's important to double check the totals against your downloaded document to make sure everything matches up. Review the numbers for accuracy before moving forward. After confirming that all the figures are correct, you can proceed to file your taxes. Double-checking this step ensures you avoid any issues with the IRS or unexpected letters about mismatched numbers. And if at any point the numbers in your software don't match those on your 1099, Robinhood has you covered. Just click on the Help section in your Robinhood account, and from there, select Contact Support. The support team can help you resolve any discrepancies or answer questions. And that's it. By following these steps, you can quickly and accurately download your Robinhood 1099 and import it into your tax software, leaving you more time to focus on your investing goals. Thanks for watching and good luck with your taxes.